Alright, so what am I doing? I got 5 things to ship here. I'm out here, I'm working, and I hung that TV on the wall so I could watch TV. So I've watched a couple of the playoff games, so I'm watching the Super Bowl. No, I don't care who wins. My professional team is Alabama. Right. So I sold Maximum Greens. This is a good thing. This is a good lesson here. Bearded Picker. Why'd you sell this? It expires 11/21. Why'd you sell this on eBay? 11/21. Why? Because I'm restricted on Amazon. Duh. GNC. Even if you're ungated, they will send you IP claims. Ignore. This is an eBay only item, guys. Learn some of these things. In Brain, you've got to have experience. You've got to know people who've had issues with it. I've never gotten a letter, but I know Steve has, and my brother has. So GNC is an eBay item. There was too much money in them. I paid $3 for them, and I sold them for $24 plus shipping. So somebody bought one of each. So that one, I've had this guy a long time. I think I paid like $1 for it. I took the best offer of, I think 10. He's real quick shipping. And it wouldn't be the Super Bowl if I didn't sell some ass pads, right? So I stuck these on, instead of sending them into Amazon, I just stuck them on eBay for whatever reason. I don't know. I went like a week or so without sending Amazon stuff in, so I was experimenting with what can I sell on platforms. I took an offer of 31 or 2 plus shipping on those, and bought it, was fine, and then got restricted. The sales all got restricted, so sold it on eBay for 20, 21, 22, something like that. So let's ship these guys up. I've got boxes already ready. These guys, these guys we're just gonna stick in the little. I think this is a 4x4x6. I think, but I know what y'all really want to see. Y'all really want to see. Y'all really want to see this. Uh-oh. That's better. So we'll go ahead and make the second box over here. And the little transformer I'm going to put in the box as well. So we'll go ahead and make these. I know that's what y'all tuned in for, to see me play with my new tape machine. So it turns out this tape machine is an Amazon machine. It's got the Amazon box sizes on it instead of links like the single machines do. So I took a label and made the link list. So sometimes the label is just a touch too long, but hey, I don't have to do anything but mash a button, right? Was that exciting for y'all like it was for me? I love that tape machine. It really has made me a whole lot more efficient. No more of that cranking and carrying on. So yeah, so we got 3 boxes. Let's do. All right, here's some tissue paper. So we're do something to keep this from wiggling around because we're not going to break it. We'll do the other one too. This will be like the world's fastest shipping video. Are y'all excited? Look how fast I am. Is this fun, exciting, or what? I make that sound a lot now. I don't have to worry about which one's which because those are the same and the other one doesn't rattle. Man, how fast is that? Turn on the scale. I guess I can bring the My guess is like 6. 7.4. That was terrible. 7 point. This one's more like 6. 5.4. Outstanding. So the one thing I'll tell you is you really got to, you want to maximize resale. If you're gonna do this full time is hard. Taking a check out and not having any other income, you've got to make the profit and take your living out and still replenish your buying budget. So you've got to turn things fast. You got to find things that make money. I guess I'm gonna need that again. So maximize both avenues. When I first started this, I made a mistake of, man, I was Amazon only. In 2015, when I found FBA, I'm FBA or nothing. And so I'd go to all these Fridays and find this great stuff, and some stuff I'd be restricted in, and I'd leave it. I was so blinded by FBA that I said, you know what, eBay, you're the evil stepsister. Bye-bye. And that was a huge mistake, because the dollars, if you're going to make the effort to hunt down items and hunt down stuff, and as you're there, I'm looking, I find other stuff, I try to scan extra stuff in every store, so I learn over and over and over, and I can keep up with values and what stuff's worth. If it's a good money on eBay, you need to get it. You've made the effort to get there. You've made the effort if you're chasing Amazon FBA. That's like dessert. That's like, even though I'm on a keto diet and there's no dessert on keto, except for like angel food cake. You can eat strawberries and blueberries. But anyway, I digress. Maximize your efforts and you'll be amazed. Ooh, let's go with that. The amount of success you'll have, eBay, Amazon, both, is because that inventory. I love yard sales, and we're only about 6 weeks away from yard sales cranking up, and I'm excited. I know y'all miss the yard sale videos as much as I miss making them. Carl and I will get cranked up. We're gonna try some things different this year. I think the videos. This is a first peek into the evil minds of me and Harlan. Hit the end button now if you don't want to go there, because it's a sick, crazy place. Okay, I'm just kidding. We thrown some ideas around of we find good stuff, but we don't have a ton of time to list it, and stuff that we would buy. So we decided, you know what? We're gonna offer them on an auction, probably on my channel, and we're gonna do these auctions together. And the stuff that we're gonna show you the stuff we find on Saturdays. We're gonna auction them on, like, say, Wednesday. And so, they're either gonna be stuff that's a great deal, and you can pick up stuff that's a great deal, or they're gonna be stuff that you can buy to resell. We're just gonna try to get a variety of stuff, and use our knowledge to, and also to have fun. The live shows, we'll have a lot of fun. If y'all only knew the craziness and it goes on me and Harlan and yard sales, y'all would probably never watch a video from us. It's important in life to have fun. If you don't laugh, smile, joke, have good fun, good friends, family, what are you doing? What's life? Life is best lived. So I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that. 13.8. I was supposed to guess, wasn't I? Dang it. This one, I already know she's gonna, because she's the singing Elsa. She's 15 ounces now. No, I'm not trying to fill Elsa up. I think if you touch, there's lots of jokes right there. Okay, I'm gonna leave Elsa. I'm gonna leave that alone. Let's put some bubble wrap around Elsa and put her in the box. I think I got a lot. I think I got too much bubble wrap. Anyway, so this is a nice UPS. This is the largest one they make before they go to the games. So yeah. So I bought that guy on eBay. I put the link in it before. Would I recommend that machine now? No, I would not recommend that machine now, because the single machine is actually, if you want a 10-inch piece of tape, you hit a 10. You can repeat it. This one was Amazon specific, and I didn't realize it when I bought it, which is fine. I'll make use of it, and I have no complaints. But would I tell you to buy it? No. All right. So let's get the extra bubble wrap out of there. Greatest box cutter known to man. Thanks, William. I don't have to say. Steve's like, so every time you say that, I laugh and scream. William sent it to you. Okay. Oh, that's what I thought, dude, but I didn't want to say the wrong person and offend somebody. So Steve reminded me. Who sent that to me? So thanks, Steve. Just because that one is. Sometimes I get extra tape. Sometimes I do it. It is extremely fast. It works great. I got plenty of parts. It's both sides working. And I should have been using the other side. I should have been using the eBay tape side, because I did put eBay tape in. I just forgot. I've been doing so much merch for field, I forgot. But there is eBay tape on the other side. Okay, how much do you weigh? But you need one that you can repeat, does all the regular functions. That one's made specifically for Amazon. There's no manual for it. There's no nothing. You just sort of guessing. The halftime show is kind of strange. I know y'all can't imagine it. I'm not into pop music. So I really have no interest in watching that. So, what else did I have for you? Sorry, I've been gone for so long. I've been working really hard. My table is not getting shorter. There's stuff on the other side of the boxes. Top secret. You'll see that video. And you're going to go, oh my God, Beard. Oh my God. Right. That's going to be a video for the ages. We're just not ready to reveal it yet, so we have to maintain the secrecy. So anyway, what else am I doing? That's it. That's all I got for you. You know, maximize your potential. Maximize the items you got to sell. Don't get stuck in just one. You got to sell multiple. Even if it's Poshmark or Mercari, there's those sites. If you do the clothes and that kind of stuff, you know, don't go through all the trouble to go to thrift stores and stuff and leave, you know, name brands and stuff. I don't know as much anymore. You know, I know y'all can imagine I'm not a fashionista. But I'm not a fashionista. And so Donnie buys my clothes. As you can see here, the great fashion I am. Vote for Big Al in 2016, right? And cargo pants. You know, these are men's purse pants. Yeah, all right. But really, it's hard work. Reselling's hard work. Doing it for full time is hard work, and you part timers work just as hard because you got a full time job on top of it. So why would you go to all the effort to get somewhere to search for something to leave stuff behind that makes money on one of the other platforms if you're already selling on it? That's my words of advice for you. All right, your halftime show is over. Greatest halftime show in the world. Beer to the Super Bowl. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you'd hit the thumbs up on the way out, I'd appreciate it. See you in the next video. Roll Tide. Super Bowl winners. Roll Tide.